how to send money and more on Cash App. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I'm going to be guiding you on how you can send money and many of the other features on your Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to send money on Cash App, all you have to do is just open up Cash App. Once you open Cash App, by default you're already under the dollar page where you can simply send money to someone. Now basically just enter the dollars worth of money that you would like to send to someone. Once you enter the money, you can choose USD. Now if you also want to send Bitcoin though, which is just an alternative solution for you, you can select Bitcoin option after tapping this USD button and selecting Bitcoin. But for now I'll just leave it to USD and then I'll just tap on the pay button. So basically you can just go ahead and then actually enter some people on Cash App, or basically you can allow some of the contacts who already has Cash App, or you can simply enter the phone number, the email address of the person you're trying to send the money to. So in this case, let me just select a random person here. Once I select a person on the list, if I want, I can basically add a note to that person and then I can just tap on the pay button. Once I tap on the pay button, it'll ask me to verify my identity to continue using Cash App. So if you have not verified identity, go ahead and simply enter your first name, your last name, verify identity, and then after that you will be able to successfully send money on Cash App. This is it for today's video. If it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end and see you in the next video.